Well folks, following on from the Iberia flight experience, tonight I'm staying in Barajas. I think they pronounce it, or Barajas. It's spelt Barajas, but it's not pronounced how it's spelt. Little village, literally just outside the airport. In fact, the airport is named after Barajas. So I'm just going to do a little video around here, what's available, what's around for anybody who may be staying here. So anyway, I checked in at the hotel earlier, did a bit of a room tour, so that will follow this clip. So this is where I'll be spending tonight, Hostel Vicky, about 8-minute walk from Bara-asss metro station. They also apparently do a free metro back to the airport. That'll be very ideal for me, early flight tomorrow. Down here. So yeah, get checked in and I'll give you a bit of a room tour, like I naturally do. Hostel Vicky. Checked in and in the room. So here we have a thermostat, which I've not got a clue how to work. You've got the aircon, which I've just tried, it blowing out hot air. I don't want to repeat at Munich, so I'll have a look at that in a short while. And then it's actually a trim room. I booked a single room. I ain't got Sarah with me on this one, so I don't know what they've done there. Anyway, phone. Got your telly up there, little table, and not much of a view. Just a load of people's houses. It's not bad, it's not bad. Stayed in much worse. The drawers. So I'm only packing for one night. It's here. And then the bathroom. Bathroom's alright. Dryer. Etc, etc. Plenty of towels. Always like plenty of towels. And shower, which I'll set up in a bit. Gonna have a swill because I feel really dirty just travelling. Nip out in a bit and get the bar, get a bit of the area, and yeah, show you what's here. Always seems strange going aboard and seeing the cans labelled up individual price, even though they come in a 4-pack. It's just really continental, that. Oh, that's my aisle. And again, 82 cents for a beer. Yeah, might invest in one or two of them for the room. What, 31 cents for one of them? That's ridiculous. Yeah, and everywhere has a McDonald's, doesn't it? Right, I think I'm going to grab a bite to eat in here. Well, this is like the high street, if you like, of Barajas. Got all different shops. You've got a Domino's down there, that's like a minute away from the McDonald's that I've just ate in. And then you've got quite a few Irish pubs down here as well. Lots of bars. That one isn't open today by the looks of things. You've got another bar there. You've got this pub here. I think it's still open. It's not closed down or anything. And yeah, Munich beer. Yeah, wrong trip. That were a couple of weeks back. And then another Irish bar just up yonder. Right, take you for a little further walk round. And as night time falls here in Spain, you've got a Burger King if you don't like McDonald's, but it's vice versa for me. I prefer McDonald's. And I'm in here at the minute, La Latina. I've got a couple of clips of what I'm drinking in there. Massive beer. Really nice pub that is. Opposite the Burger King. Radio guys, I am back at the hotel. As you can see right in front. Well, that's where the reception is. I'm in here. Somewhere. I think I've just passed it actually. No, that bar was excellent. €13 for a couple of pints. And I had a half as well. Right then, it's gonna absolutely piss down here. So I'm gonna make this quick and sign off. I'll put in the graphic what's coming up in April. Hope you've enjoyed this little random video from Bara-asss. It's, yeah, I'm just trying to mix and match things for the channel on what's just outside the airport if you're ever staying here. So might do a video tomorrow, I might not. We'll see how things go. So for this one, it's 12 for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care.
Away. Your seat is in the upright position with the armrests and footrests down and the window shades open.